Hello students, today I am starting for the class 9 the revision video. In the first video I have taken the unit 1 and important topics for the unit 1. And today in the video I am taking the chapter 2, 3, 6, 7 and 12. And what are the important topics, what are the important points and how can you revise the syllabus. These things I am telling you. That is all about for the unit 1 examination. So class 9 students, please listen very carefully all of you. The question format will be like MCQs. The questions will be in the form of MCQs, fill in the blanks, one word questions, one line questions, true false like this, and long answers also. So prepare yourself for this format. So first thing is students, first thing is your chapter introduction to Euclid's geometry, that is deleted by the CBSE. So it is deleted for the UT1 examination also. The first chapter for today is Introduction to Euclid's geometry, that is deleted by CBSE, and it deleted for the UT1 examination also, and that is chapter 50. यहाँ पे chapter 50 मिला दिया है, 50 की बात होती है, तो फिफ्थ चैप्टर इज कैंसिल. तो सबसे पहले मैंने आपको गुड न्यूज़ दी है कि जो आपका चैप्टर डिलीट हो गया है वो उसे हटा दिया है, इसे आपको पढ़ना ही नहीं है बिल्कुल. नो स्टडी फॉर दिस चैप्टर. द सेकंड थिंग इज लेट अस टॉकिंग अबाउट द सेकंड चैप्टर, दैट इज पॉलिनोमियल्स. In the chapter polynomials, you should remember about the basic terms. Basic term means like linear polynomial has straight line graph, quadratic polynomial has curved graph, or we can say that the graph of the quadratic polynomial is parabolic and the cubic polynomial is S-shaped graph. So these are the basic terms from the polynomials. So you should remember these things also. After it all, you always learned about the finding of zeros of the polynomials. Zeros of the polynomials, like quadratic equation has, quadratic polynomial has 2 zeros, cubic polynomial has 3 zeros, linear polynomial has 1 zero. So you should know about the zeros of the polynomials and the questions related to the remainder theorem. Questions related to the factor theorem and the questions related to x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. That question will be cancelled, except it all the questions from the algebraic identities can appear in your examination. Algebraic identities. Okay students, after it all, let I am talking about the coordinate geometry. That is chapter 3. The name is coordinate geometry. So first of all students, in this chapter basic terms will come. He will ask for the basic terms only, like basic terms like x-axis is also known as abscissa, y-axis is also known as ordinate. These things will appear in the examination, and 0, 0 is the लोकेशन ऑफ द ओरिजिन. सो दीज टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन विल अपीयर. अच्छा, उसके बाद लोकेशन ऑफ पॉइंट्स. आफ्टर इट ऑल लोकेटेड पॉइंट्स टू शो लोकेटेड पॉइंट्स टू शो yes. So these are the coordinate geometry. The fourth one is, fourth means, yes, the next chapter is lines and angles. Lines and angles. Basic terms. First of all, there are the basic terms. Second is questions on parallel line and transversal. questions on parallel and transversal, and the third thing is ASP, angle sum property. So questions related to prove that these type of question will not come in the examination. Only the questions in which we are finding something, that these type of question will come, because the exam will be on the Google Forms. So don't try the questions related to prove that. For finding out the questions, these type of question will come. Okay. After it all, now the next chapter is triangles. Triangles means, in triangles, congruency criteria of the triangles, that will come definitely. Congruency criteria of triangles. From this, the question will appear like ASA, AAS, SAS, SSS, and RHS. These two questions will come in your examination. After it all, inequalities of triangle is deleted, and the basic terms also will ask from this chapter. The basic terms. After it all, students, the last chapter is Heron's formula. In Heron's formula, the question will ask to find out the area of the triangle with the help of Heron's formula. Area of triangle by Heron's formula. Okay, students, area of the triangle will also come from this chapter. Okay, students, now it is completed. Now, best of luck to all of you for the UT1. Prepare yourself. Complete your revision from the unit 1 to the last unit, and the last thing is that achieve 50 out of 50 marks in your UT1 examination. Okay, students, good luck.